Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to the final social media countdown of 2018. No, me know say it's a one bag of mix up and one bag of topics to go on. Recently in a December, I couldn't really get to touch it because when it's so occupied with Vlogmas. But IR is here and I'm going in tune for a treat because it's not going to be a top 10 countdown. It is going to be a top 20 countdown. So I'm going to just run through the videos them and keep you abreast of all that you might have missed. Okay, so let's get right into it. Number 20, Bird Box Mania. Miss New Chicken. So I'm sure you have seen the Netflix original movie starring Sandra Bullock that premiered in December. That is titled Bird Box.
You hear something in the woods, you tell me. If you hear something in the water, you tell me.
No, boy, oh boy. Let me give you a little background to the whole show. So here it goes. When a mysterious force decimates the population, only one thing is certain. If you see it, you die. The survivors must now avoid coming face to face with an entity that takes the form of their worst fears. Now, me don't know about you, but this is one epic piece of storyline. I'm not gonna lie, I know the cliche them in there, but it's still epic. I did watch it. Me never think it was going to have such a fanfare and it go so viral, on social media. But by the time I look around, everybody and their mother and grandfather had memes like this posting up. But as I think about it, can you imagine have to go through the world blindfolded? I don't know. I wonder what would I catch me? Like honestly, if I got blindfolded, what would I make me actually take off the blindfold for go fast?
Under no circumstance are you allowed to take off your blindfold.
If somebody come and say, yo, mix up for the countdown, I feel like, yeah, I take the bait. I would have hard to get the bait. But what did you think about the show, Berries? Did you enjoy it? How much out of 10 you would have give the movie? Comments down below. Number 19, Toasting. Miss Center Table. So there is a song by a new, reggae artist that is called Coffee. I kind of think her father is the artist called Cocoa. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. But anyway, say she has a brand new single that is called Toast. And I'm not gonna lie, people, it is running road for a new young artist and a female artist like that. For have a song that me no know the song, it just vibesy, it sound vibrant, it sound dancehall, it sound reggae, and it sound youthful, and boy, it kinda reminiscent of like a chronic sort of vibe. But yeah man, the song are going good, and if you don't know, make sure you check it out because yeah, where have you been? Toast by Coffee. Number 18, Fat Skull Vids. Boy, oh boy, once again I have to say I'm a fan of Fat Skull and them videos them on Instagram. And I'm not even gonna talk about it, but just pre this video with Fat Skull, put out on the page recently talking about what it is like when they're around your parents and them a flirt in front of you. Ah, boy.
But just reach home, it's me. We show it you. Good evening, good evening.
Welcome, my son.
Early today.
Oh God.
Who for tell him what?
So why you tell him that for?
I chew, me now for tell him
Alright,
what.
what do you mean?
Little more he must eat.
What make you stay so?
I want to, I know my fault.
Alright.
Relax now.
Anyways, we're gonna need oil. Can you get rusty?
I don't have no money for buy that. We can use cooking oil.
Cooking oil? Me look like meat?
Hold on now. Little more my answer that.
Lord Jesus, what could I cause this?
Oh, Daddy, what are you in here?
Anthony?
And a box there over there so.
The box there?
They want some tape.
Oh, where they are, why night?
There's something for me for wear tonight.
Not no night.
Exactly.
There's something for me for wear tonight.
Not no night.
Exactly.
Not no night.
Exactly.
Number 17, Money Ponderings. So this brother, I guess he was asked, when would I do if him to win a certain amount of money? And boy, me don't know if him not really meds out like how much things cost and all. But yeah, this brother, him come like the type of people that my TVJ would I go after if bite after week. Let me just say that.
If you won 5 million Jamaican dollars, what would you do with it?
Put it in a fixed deposit.
Fixed deposit?
Yeah. Okay.
Anything else?
Yeah. Wheel of fortune. Wheel up more money. Get more money accomplishment from Grace Kennedy. Yeah.
So
How is everything?
Grace Kennedy, we like the stocks?
Yeah. Stock up on bully beef and bread. You get you more comfortable.
Okay.
New Kingston, your people from.
Right, so who would you tell if you want the money?
You want the money? CVM, RJR, KLAS.
Tell the whole world?
And the whole world want money. We all need money in Jamaica, land of beauty, not wood and water. Yeah, and the this is beautiful Orlando from up St. Andrew Heights. Yeah.
Let me know what you thought about it, people. Comment below. And now check out the random video of the week. Number 16, Tommy Lee free. Me iron board. The dancehall artist Tommy Lee was cleared of lottery scamming charges recently. So this is what the Star reported. Tommy Lee Sparta is a free man. The entertainer was cleared of lottery scamming charges in the home circuit court in downtown Kingston Thursday morning after a judge upheld a no-case submission made by his lawyer. Now the artist whose given name is Leroy Russell. A Leroy Russell name? Oh wow. Well anyway, congrats Mr. Leroy, and hopefully we can hear music from you soon. Number 15, KFC moves. The barbecue chicken. So you know, so KFC is just making its way around the entire Jamaican, the whole entire circumference of the island. KFC a go, except from St. Thomas. Boy, oh boy, St. Thomas you just can't catch a break. But anywho, KFC is now in, guess where? Trelawney of all places to Boxfoot. Big up yourself, Trelawney. Falmouth got his KFC recently, and people, just take a moment to look on the crowd line that are congregated outside of the building.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
One thing me have to say, whoever bring KFC to Jamaica, and most of the Matalan them, uno just can't broke because I do not know where uno put in the chicken. People are fight a KFC security guard a war. People are join line all when a Christmas Day KFC full. Christmas Day KFC full. I just can't understand. What is it about KFC? So anyway, big up the way you call them, the Trillanonians and the Fallomentarians. I'm glad that you can now enjoy a zinger, enjoy your 3-piece barbecue, spicy and whatever combo, and pay extra $25 or $30 for your basic on the side. Welcome to that sort of club, and you know, for coming to town for enjoy your KFC now. So congratulations. Woo! Number 14, sex meds. Me doorknob. So this brother up on the corner reason with him bridging them and kind of share, you know, a little reason, little hits blunt moment with him friend them.
You ever go in sometime and strap up girl, till all day look with some light. Drop asleep in the morning, you know. When you wake, girl, wake long time, cook done food ready, girl, I wash and do some wally pass up. You get up tired. You look into that, brother. What you do last night to make no difference.
No difference.
No difference.
I would have done the same thing.
What do you say, burritos? Even though I know the burritos, them not dugu-dugurin, I know that my burritos are decent people. They are not, them not dugu-dugu. The whole of Christmas, you not keep on the body, you not keep on yourself for marriage when you're 80-year-old. I know my burritos, them. Them not dugu. So why? I feel like a couple of them dugu-dugu just before them watch the video, I know. And a couple of them are going to dugu-dugu right after them don't watch the video, boy, oh boy. Number 13, Alkalines. Me OMG. So dancehall artist Alkaline, guess what? You know, say he's not sporting a lighter complexion these days. And you realize, say, you know, he might get dark and he look like he might eat food now and put on 1 and 2. Wait, but not only that. We saw something posted upon Alkaline's page and we must say it was quite shocking. Alkaline. Wait for it. Actually can't smile. Round of applause. We never think so would have said a day possible. Alkaline actually has teeth inside her mouth. The man actually is able to smile. Wow. Who knew? Who knew? Round of applause, Alkaline. 2019 look like it's going to be a winning year for you just because of that.
This is Sean Paul ever flossing and you don't know we're endorsing the Duttyberry social media countdown. Keep it locked.
Number 12, surprise or not. So this video surfaced this week with this person. Apparently I give them Oman, this brother I give him Oman one gift for Christmas. And just watch.
You better not wet me, eh?
Gosh, no. You're so extra.
Alright. You ready?
Yeah?
Y'all ready? Merry Christmas!
Man. Hello. You see it right in front of you? That yours or no? That is yours.
Wet man for the wet girl.
Atida!
What?
How you mean? What mean Atida? Man, it's a car. What's your problem?
Atida? This is...
Oh my God.
Wait, hold up. This is mine?
Like, it's yours. Like...
This not even new.
Mal, oh my god, this is on Facebook. Can you stop?
But so why
Oh my god!
Like that's what like what why like you joking, right?
Well, but I'm just saying, like.
Wow. What do you want to boy, you see if I did. When you say burritos, how would you react to this if you do a gesture like this for somebody, your partner, and them react like this? You think such ungrateful? How would you have reacted? Atida, not even a new one. I use one you talk about get good me for good past social media. Better I call Ellen. Number 11, Black Vibes. Me Purple Lotion. So Vibes Kartel, you know, every minute him have him look a prison jail photo shoot and him have him friend and him brethren them come in and you know take picture and boy, me not like the world boss, him looking younger, him might get a kind of skinnier and also it is noticeable the Black Kartel has resurfaced. He is back, people. The Black Kartel, the Inama Kartel, I saw the word go, is now back at it again like Facebook hero. So one bag of pictures, them and how everybody just run in a one time. But clearly this is just how the prison system go. That them have them little America's Next Top Model inside there like every quarter. People at one point when I was on the page, I see one woman with Kartel and I said, Jesus peace. So when Wendy Williams reach a Kartel, Jesus peace. But then I realized I never Wendy Williams. But I not like for a second I think of Wendy. I know what me one.
Vibes. He uses cake soap.
Number 10, Renee Luxurified. Me figurine. So people, guess what? So only know say you have dancehall queen head top who do her body. You have Sherlock Luxury who do her body. I don't know if I the same people them like where Curvy Diva and you know they'll go as well. But Renee 630, you might have been the last to join the line, but yes, them certainly ensure say they get what you are wanted because she is officially Renee Luxury. Pre. And this is what the caption read. Ready to take on 2018 with a bang, new body, new song, and a whole lot of surprises. Follow my journey at Designer Bodies. Wow, Renee, Jesus Christ, Renee, them sinking the waist. Me kind of like so them keep the leg, them the thick KFC, wap, juicy leg, them like so them keep them, you know, the little, yeah man, keep them right there. Let me know what you thought about that. I thought about it, burritos. Comments down below. And now check out the second random video of the week.
Give me no money, sir. You don't come from planet Earth. Me can't come to you and you in such a pretty car and I have $20. You don't come from planet Earth.
Number 9, Rita Woman. Me vision board. So you remember some time ago the lady who did say everybody must wear all white during Christmas or something because God gonna come or some piece of excitement and drama like that, and yeah, 2 years later it really not come to pass. But anyway, I guess the Jamaica star, because you know how them have a habit of just drying out people.
Greetings in the name of Jesus to the nation and relative. This is Eve Campbell, the best woman queen of the gospel, blessed by God. I'm wishing you a happy and a blessed and a prosperous Christmas and a blessed New Year if we all live to see it.
Boy, oh boy. Anyway, the Jamaica star, they caught up with the woman and, you know, get her to kind of sing a little bit of Feliz Navidad. Now, here is the original, how the song actually go.
Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad.
And here how the Rita woman do it. Free.
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas.
I want to wish you a Merry Christmas.
I want to wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad.
I want to wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
You only grow with your mother. You and Feliz Navidad. So Feliz Navidad no means something else, no dad. Don't out of my class.
Feliz Navidad.
Number 8, Tifa Fall. Mini string. So anyhow, I think like every year them have like a Christmas party for the soldier them up a camp and then bring some artists for kind of, you know, make them feel good and thing. And so Tifa went there and she did a dance with one of the soldier them and she did a little run-up thing where, you know, female artists always do. Yeah, them find a man and them stay from a distance and them run up on them, yeah. So Tifa kind of running for go do it, and yeah, this is what took place. Wow! Jesus, people feel I want a Tifa. T.I.F.A. Tifa, me no know. Tifa say probably the brother in the 2 week. But me no know. Me think when you do that, you should hold on pan neck so it kind of balance out your situation. But boy, oh boy, me just glad say okay. So the angel, posted. Me don't know if I did share that or whatever. But the angel posted on her page, kind of showing how it should actually go when everything goes well. Let me know what you thought about Tifa's fault, people. You think it was funny? You think it was the soldier's fault? Or you think she never put her hand around him neck? Comment down below. Number 7, car catch. This car did I try to cross the flat bridge, and me don't know how it end up right at the edge of the little bank in there. So like little, if you're sneezing at the car, it gone right over into the water. Right into the river. But boy, I have to say them people who no lucky no box foot. Pretty video, people. That is the epitome of what Elephant Man did I talk about when him say, pan the river, pan the banks.
Pan the river, pan the bank. Pick out the shoes because you put them no cramp.
Let me know, people, you still a travel via flatbridge? Comment down below. Number 6, Nikki Loom. Boy, oh boy, me don't really know what me have to say about this piece of drama yet. Like, me don't really care. I am kind of indifferent to the whole situation. The whole Loom thing, boy, they are go around, and when me see it, me have a friend of mine that approach me and me have to say, yo, the Loom thing, I don't really want to run in. Even though them something you're supposed to run in early and cut away, kind of like Cash Plus, you just want to run in, take away if they get and cut before it get too popular. Because once it get popular, it will just end up crash. So Nikki, she have her social media following, she jump in, pin it, I guess she became like the brand ambassador. She was like the face of Loom in Jamaica because she have her platform. And she show up, Nikki always a post up everything, the good, the bad, the ugly, everything. She just have to show everything. So she showing she give the people the money and all kind of things. And I guess at some point in time, the news came out that, the Loom crashed and people want back their money. And, rumors start to say, like, apparently she owe people, must say, $6.7 million in cash.
Yeah, me yet. Man have a charge a station. My friend them make me have money, I make money around me, I never take $1. Me eye no red. Me not take people things, so we not chat about thief. The whole of the day and see the whole of the video them. The whole of the see me advertise. When you come out the shop, you never see me yet.
Nikki, as usual, she put out, so people are saying her debt. She posts everything on Instagram, her style that. She gone on live, the usual, man, and you know the Nikki style, man. You know the Nikki Schweppes. So, I do not know what comes of it right about now. I don't know if the people them still get back their money. I don't know if she still I get tricked. I do not know, but I just glad say this whole Loom thing just die down and just make it stay there. And I'm sure by next year or the year after that, there will be another little scheme where people can run in pan. But my advice to you, if you're going to run in quick and fast, like very early and then cut out tight. Yeah. Number 5, King of the Dancehall debate. Why, I really did think so when they kind of established who are the King of the Dancehall, but it looked like things that get very sketchy. Spice declares a Kartel are the King of the Dancehall scene. I know Spice a friend with Nicki. Okay, so I don't know what kind of little relationship Nicki Minaj and another dancehall artist kind of muster these days, but Nicki went on Instagram and I think posted a video of Beenie Man and started to announce him as her King of the Dancehall.
Rasta just touched down from heaven. Judah 747. Me and my crew of a dozen. Clean like Jesus button.
Wow. And whole heap of Jamaicans never like that, and some people are say, yeah man, Ray and Tay, and people are wonder like, yo, Nicki, but you just do a song with Kartel. How can you be now saying that Beenie Man is the King of Dancehall?
Welcome the King of the Dancehall.
I Spice and Nicki are friend. And oh yes, to make matters worse, Meek Mill, who is Nicki Minaj's ex, went ahead and announced Vybz Kartel as the King of Dancehall. Now you see how things get very mixed up and very sketchy right now. Me I feel wonder like what kind of conversations are going on in the DM. Like some petty little type of back and forth because no. Let me know what you thought about the burritos. Who is your King of the Dancehall? Comment down below. Number 4, Drake in St. Thomas.
God's plan. God's plan.
Popcorn had his unruly fest and then put a pick a better parish than St. Thomas because St. Thomas need the strength. St. Thomas is like the Meg of Jamaica. Popcorn gave the parish a forward by, keeping him unruly fest event in the parish, and me not gonna lie, them get a good turnout. Drake popped up, and you know the crowd did enjoy that, and he also officially welcomed and announced that Popcorn would be an official member of his record label called OVO.
But look, this is something we worked on for a very long time. I just want to let everybody know, finally, officially, 2019, Popcorn are signed to OVO. OVO are moving. Yo, St.Thomas, we love you.
The fact is that, you know, Popcorn is signed to Drake's record label. That is good. St. Thomas got a good event, and hopefully it's become a year-long thing. So, you know, keep that going. And also, yeah, big up Popcorn for the tremendous year that he has had. What you have to say, people? Comment down below. Number 3, Braffins. My word, my sentence. So this video featured this Excelsior youth to promote one cake sale, one cake event. Me no know. But the level of commitment, the level of style and pattern, and what you call it, poetic words, vibrant energy, dancing, all kind of, you know, just movement that the man incorporate in promo video was what made it so epic and gave it such a high level of sell-offness. Pre the video, people.
Yeah, bro. Bluff, you then know, see a damn girl present them first cake sale December the 20th, you see me? Just for impress, you see me? A bluff, my friend, in association with old kid and a sharp, and you see me? Man, well ugly, double ugly, triple ugly, dance like out of time, dance like out of Ellie Selassie. Hey! Don't know, see out of West Street, from the bathroom, you see me? Bluff, bluff.
Braff, we are like what the box for braffin mean. But thank you Ding Dong for actually putting out this to explain what braffin means. Braff, a memorable time. Having a good time by oneself or with friends and family. To hype or show off. Sentence, braff, we are braff. So there you have it, people. Who cannot complain and say who don't know what the word mean. No, go out, people, and use the word in a sentence today. Number 2, bun etiquette. So this video featuring this youth with this name. I don't know how somebody in a 2018 managed to have this name called Mervis. He must go Woolmans, and apparently him and him girl meet at bus stop and some drama start to take place because she go and her found it out that he did give her bun. And in the middle of this taxi man or this loader man who was on the side decided to give Mervis some bunning teaching, some bunning etiquette, some bunning practices, best practices that govern the bunning lifestyle. And boy, and throughout the whole of the video, Mervis' face was my mood for the whole of 2018 when I realized that I just broke.
Out of niceness, I decided to buy this boy the freaking phone. Him bun me 3 times, 3 different girl, you know.
Yes, I catch you. Some boy we on the tongue, you have to explain to me. I know where I reach out, but hear me I say. Money.
He's not giving me anything. I'm just saying I'm going to use the money to buy a new phone. Marvis me will
No, you see all over this stuff, Papi will come from. So if you feel like, you may say no.
Marvis. So you couldn't afford to do anything and I do everything for you? And you're going to be dumb? I will give you lunch money sometime, me and Megan.
You're good at this off here, some look at dog bed, girl. How much girl you have? 10, 15? But how is she find out? Me have 4 and 5, girl. I think my girl live from my auntie and find this thing. You don't know how girl is thing. When you just come to college as country boy and think, that's why she got get hurt.
That's why your father.
So yes man, that is what her go on it. And people more often know like who you agree with, because this girl mentioned every single thing where she do for Mervis. All of the money where she give him, she talk about how him broke and all kind of things, boy, and then she just don't look good. And that man, they lecture Mervis, boy, oh boy, like. And number 1 goes to DJ Khaled in Jamaica! Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay. So DJ Khaled, you know, visited Jamaica recently, and boy, he literally took over the country. The man do more for promoting Jamaica as a tourist destination than the JTA has been doing, than the JTB. Because honestly, DJ Khaled make me feel like me want to visit Jamaica and me live in Jamaica.
We got like 7 pools. I'm being honest, like 7 pools. Like the land just keep going and going. It's so much land. It's hammocks at every corner. Wait till you see where we having lunch and dinner and breakfast at. It's unbelievable. Not like, what happened, little boy? My son want to go everywhere. I'm in my boxes right now. You know, so I'm in my boxes. My son woke me up like, Daddy, I'm coming.
But anyway, so DJ Khaled, you know, him touchdown and him start to post up one bag of video, you know, him they go visit Sizzla Kalonji, him go visit Buju Banton, cause you know them work on a song together. And you know, him bring him son and him wife, you know, Assad. He was her here. Look on him in him like a Jamaican outfit. And you know, unusual DJ Khaled style, him I go all about the place and I do this little thing and I state why him is a yard man and what is a yard man.
Yardman is yardman fish. Pure yardman vibe this. Show you a yardman mango. A yardman mango is the greatest mango ever. There's no mango like a yardman mango. If you had a mango before, you played yourself. Until you try the yardman mango.
But of all the videos, you know, him did go on good and me say, yeah man, DJ Khaled, you going officially become an honorary Jamaican. You go on good and me say, yeah man, Khaled. Up until the moment when he hard did this.
This yardman thing. Roasted breadfruit. Sweet potato, yardman style though. Yardman sweet potato. Hold on. Aki and saltfish. Real yardman thing this. Real yardman thing. And this is what we call Jamaican yardman porridge. Oatmeal porridge, yardman style. This is what you call a yardman breakfast. Real yardman thing this.
Me bunky didos. Me can't believe that DJ Khaled Baxfoot poured the porridge in the plate and the person who recorded could even say, hold on. No, the person just allowed Khaled to pour out the whole porridge on the plate like says a gravy.
And this is what we call Jamaican yardman porridge. Oatmeal porridge, yardman style. This is what you call...
No, Khaled, like, yeah, we have to take back your Jamaican card right there, so... Well, that's it, Burritos. This is the final social media countdown for 2018. I do hope that you enjoyed. Let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown. Hit the thumbs up button, give me a like. Also, you know, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Yes. Oh, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it comes. I can't believe I forget to say all of these things. Season's greetings. I am so appreciative for all the support throughout the 2018. It's a lot of love me get. It's a lot of support. I'm glad for all the people who tune into the Vlogmas videos. I want to do a whole heap more type of content, you know, a whole heap more different sort of content. All right, people, take care. Baskova!
Sorry. Feliz Navidad!